Congratulations, Pakistan. Pakistan Zindabad. Congratulations, every single Pakistani in Pakistan, every single Pakistani outside of Pakistan, and especially congratulations, the Muslim Ummah. This was a victory for not just for Pakistan, it was a victory for Muslim Ummah. Pakistan might have won the battle, but the war is still imminent. And when Pakistan needed friends, we saw who came to our friendship. Turkey, we salute you. You came to us. China, you showed what the real friendship stands for. You stood with us. You told the world that we are ironclad brothers. You gave Pakistan so much respect. I salute you, China. Bangladesh, Bengali people, we love you. You stood with us. We saw how much you spoke on Instagram, how much you spoke on TikTok. You did not stop the social media. I salute you. And then now, Uzbekistan. We saw the support coming out of Uzbekistan. Come on, people, we gotta big it up for Uzbekistan. Now, I'm gonna speak about two people, especially just two people. Number one, our General Munir. You showed the world what a real soldier and what a real hero you are. General Munir, thank you very much. And last, the most important thing, without this person, Pakistan wouldn't be where it is. And trust me when I tell you that the strength this man has given Pakistan, it is beyond I can describe it. So, Dr. Abdul Qadir, we salute you for giving Pakistan something which is amazing. God bless you all.